I mean, the true full confirmation that you've really gotten the workshop and have graduated is that you look for change. You don't like stagnation anymore. It used to be that change would make us kind of anxious. After this workshop, when we do the exercises and really get it, what makes us anxious is things staying the same.
Yeah.
You know, and what our body, what we end up looking for is more change, because that means growth and expansion.
Yeah.
And we came here to learn. We didn't come here to live. I mean, living's easy. We came here to learn. You know, and learn means expansion and growth.
Yeah.
So this workshop it's a setup to get us in a place where it's a lot easier to learn.
Right.
I mean, this workshop's definitely not the end all. It's not like what everybody needs to learn. Like, it's the setup to open us up so that we can learn a lot more.
Yeah.
I believe. So the point of the confirmation video is just to let people know that it's useful to have somebody say, yes, you got it, or to come for a one-day, you know, recap and do a couple of exercises and notice like how much we've shifted from doing the workshop.
Yeah.
But I don't know that it's 100% necessary for everybody, but I know for myself when I started doing, you know, spiritual training, that it was always good to have a teacher pat me on the head and say, yes, you got it. Yes, your heart is open. Yes, you're not judging, or whatever the thing is, you know.
Yeah.
Especially these things that you can't touch and can't hold on to. It's good to have someone else go, yes. Yes, this is real. This could be confirmation for people. If people watch the video series and then watch our interactions, that might be enough for people to go, oh yeah, I get it.
Yeah, you need examples to go on, because you know, you can do the exercise, but when you're living an example of something, it's vastly different. You know,
Right.
you can get caught in your head, and you have to sit and think about judgment or weighing and comparing.
Ideally, I'd love everybody who does the online workshop to call in the way you have and interact with me. You know, like that would be like way fun for me. But at the same time, there's like 2 billion people on the planet. You know, like I'm trying to figure out a way that this can perpetuate itself when I'm not available to answer everybody's questions all the time. So that's why I think these videos will be super helpful in the long run. I mean, our videos that we're doing together.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Yay.
It's been great. I've really enjoyed it.
Good. So, you feel good about the confirmation part? That video?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, I feel like I'm definitely doing well.
Do you get the confirmation that we talked about in the video? Have you been getting that just from interacting with people, noticing like how your perceptions have shifted, or how you're not getting triggered like you used to, or have you had like what? I'm curious, what confirmations have you had for yourself just from living that things have changed for you? Don't think about it too hard.
I feel like I said before, like the success, like that, like I'm so busy in my work schedule now that I actually haven't been able to worry about it being a problem ever. Like, because when I first started, I thought, is this ever going to be enough? Like, my work, right?
Right.
Is this ever going to be a job? Like, you know, worth putting all my time into? And it finally is, and so now, like, I just don't worry about things that I used to worry about all the time until now. So I think that's the biggest thing.
Yeah, that's great. Yay.
And, like, finding the parking spot and having... I hear a voice tell me I can stop now, but then I didn't because I felt like I didn't want to yet. And then the person that I was doing it for confirmed that, oh, I'm really glad you waited because, you know, this... And then, so stuff like that, I think, keeps happening. So it is constantly confirming for me.
Excellent.
That I really have this.
Excellent. Well, I'm glad it's going so well.
Me too.
Yay. All right. Well, have a good week. And if you have any questions during the week, feel free to call. Otherwise, we'll just meet on video next time again.
Okay.
All right. Cool. All right. Thanks, Sharon.
See ya.
All right. Ciao.